So over here, you can see that I have this note, and I actually have this note shared with others. If I were to go around and click on share right here, then what happens is that you can see that I have this particular note shared with this person. But if I were to go ahead and select, let's say, third person right here, just like this, and click on invite, then you can see that I provided that person with full access. I can go ahead and change around the permission level for that as well. And I can also go ahead and change full access to existing members over here as well. So now if you were to actually do that, then others will be able to go ahead and access out that note right here. And in real time, what they can actually do is they can go ahead and make around the changes. For example, around over here. So let's say, for example, this is the note that you have right here. Let me just go ahead and refresh it because I changed it around into full access around over here. So if I were to go to share, then you can see that TutorTube channel 2 is a full access. So now around over here, they will be able to go ahead and make the changes right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that the changes is happening on this end as well. So I can go ahead and change around the name, and you can see that it gets updated. So in the same file, multiple people can work out collaboratively just like this. And that is how you can change around the permission level and edit notes collaboratively as necessary using Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.